Alright, DIY Adele viewers. Now, maybe familiar with Meatball doing this challenge of the drinking of the fruit punch, but now this is my turn in doing this challenge because I want to see if I could do good and see if my palate can really go up and really get 5 out of 5. I don't see myself getting 5 out of 5 because now that I'm in this position, I'm definitely a lot more nervous, but we're just gonna see and just start this out. Drink some water, cleanse the palate. So we're gonna start out with this drink right here. Ooh. I know this is a juice of some kind, I know that. Yeah, this is a juice. I don't know which juice. I wanna say Welch's, but I'm kinda hesitant on it. So we're gonna leave that for now. Drink this one. This one doesn't really taste like anything, to be honest. I don't really taste that one. Or no, the third one. This is another juice. Yeah, this is another juice. This one. Okay, this is Gatorade. I 100% know that this one's Gatorade. Yeah, no doubt in my mind. So I'm gonna say number 2 on this. Yeah, number 2 is Gatorade. The number 1. This is a lot tougher than I thought. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I thought I would get the body armor. Cause I knew the Gatorade one was obvious. The Gatorade's number 2. This may be Rogue, but I'm gonna say number 5 is Welch's. I'm gonna say that for now. Cause that one just tastes like Welch's from previous flavors. This one doesn't taste like anything. I'm gonna say number 4 is Electrolyte because I've never had Electrolyte before, but this literally does not taste like anything. Put that there. Number 3, I know this is another juice. So number 2, oh yeah, this is Gatorade. So number 1. Number 1 is body armor, I think. That leaves Juicy Juice at 3. And it's sugary. I think we're gonna go with that. This is tough. I feel like Electrolyte's not in here. This is all 5, right? Like all 5.
That's all 5. They're all different.
They're all different.
Yeah.
Okay. Cause 3, yeah, cause like going off the colors like Meatball said, 3 look exactly the same.
Yeah.
I think my results are final. If I had to give a prediction, I think I got 1. Cause for me, the only ones I've had were Gatorade and Body Armor. And I knew Gatorade was the obvious one. I'm not gonna lie, the other 4 are very similar, which is really weird because Electrolyte should be like really salty, and I feel like I haven't tasted that at all because Electrolyte's like Pedialyte essentially. Oh man, I don't know. Are you sure all 5 of these are different?
Yeah.
It seems.
Do you have an idea for all of them?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm just so confused though because I feel like Electrolyte doesn't taste anything like Electrolyte. I don't know. Well, I've never had it before, but I just expect it to be really salty.
You ready to do the 1 through 5?
Okay, so I think number 1 is Body Armor. Number 2 is Gatorade. Number 3 is Juicy Juice. 4 is Electrolyte. And then 5 is Welch's. And I think with my prediction, I think I only got Gatorade right. I don't think I got the other 4 are like honestly guesses. But number 2 I'm pretty certain is the Gatorade one.
You got 2 right.
I got 2?
Yeah, 2 is Gatorade, and then you said 4 is Electrolyte?
Yeah.
That's right. So it sounds like you just guessed right. Because nobody's ever had that before, right?
Cause my prediction, cause I knew that 1, 3, and 5 are juices. I knew that for a fact.
Big reveal, slide it out.
Ah. Oh snap. Bro, Body Armor tastes like a juice.
Yeah, that's what Meatball said, but it's more watered down.
Yeah. Yeah, cause that's what was popping out in my head. Like I knew 1, 3, and 5 were juices. I knew that for a fact. I knew that 1, 3, and 5 were juices. And then I knew this was Gatorade. And I knew that this was Electrolyte after a while. Damn. What the fuck? Alright, well, 2 out of 5. I mean, honestly, my prediction was 1 out of 5 after doing it, so I'm happy that I got at least 2 of them.
Meatball
But
thought you were gonna get 2.
really?
Yeah. He told me upstairs, he's like, Dirk's only gonna get 2.
Damn, Meatball's just a wizard at this. But yeah, that's my take on this. It's definitely a lot harder than I thought. I think what threw me off, I expected to get body armor right, but it really just tastes like juice, which is so weird. But yeah, that was my take on this game, if you will, and it was a fun thing, and maybe we'll do this next time with other flavors. Who knows? But yeah, this is Derk signing out. Oh, the Meatball double fist?
Yeah.